I just built a simple and helpful to-do list app using the Python and Streamlit. You can easily add the task, mark them done, and delete them. Save everything using a local paste. So here the demo. If you have the task for the reading book, add the task here, and when you have done your task you can click on the done button. It show you that your task have been completed, and if you want to delete your task you can click there, but and now your task will be deleted from here. So this app will help you in a lot of ways. This is preferable for the freelancer, business owners, and anyone who want to stay organized without complex tools. So go on my GitHub account, and I am sharing this code to all of you. You can use it, and if you want, I can also build something customized for you. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.